Hi fellas, this is Chemaddcts again to the solution. Welcome back to my another video tutorial. Well, now we are going to solve C part of this question. Now we are going to solve the C part of this question. Okay, the C part. So in C it asked, deduce that for a fixed U, the greatest possible range is when alpha is 45 degrees. Well, before solving C, I want to tell you something, fellows. If you have missed the if you have missed A and B, I'll put the link to the description over here. Okay, so if you have missed B particularly, if you have missed B, I'll put the link to the I will put the link over here. Please click here to watch B. So after watching B, then come to C. Okay, so let's start. So they have asked us to find, sorry, they have asked us to show that for a particular range where alpha is 45 degree. So for more specifically, so why alpha should be 45 degree for the greatest possible range. So it means that if I shoot a projectile at an 45 degree, it will go at the greatest possible range. Okay, below that it will go over here. Okay, or above that it will go over here. So if I launch a projectile at an angle of 45 degree, it will reach the maximum range. Okay, it will reach the maximum range. So let us see how mathematically. Let us see how is it possible mathematically. Okay, let us prove that in mathematically. So here we can see, if I launch the projectile at an angle less than 45 degree, it will land here. And if I launch the projectile greater than 45 degree, it will land here. It will ultimately land here. Okay, so now let us prove it mathematically. So now let us bring this equation over here, then analyze this equation. Okay, so we are solving C. So let us copy this equation. U squared sine twice alpha divided by G. So if you have noticed, range range is directly proportional to sine twice alpha. Okay, we are ignoring U square and G, and we can see that range is directly proportional to sine twice alpha. Okay, so for the maximum range we need to find the maximum angle. Okay, we need to find for max range will have max alpha. Okay, that's the relationship between range and the angle, launched angle. Okay, and here is another thing, the maximum there is another thing to be noted. There is another point to be noted, that is the maximum value for sine sine x, where x could be twice alpha or anything. Yes sir, any, sorry, uh, x can be any angle. It can be alpha or any twice alpha. Okay, so the maximum value for sine x is 1. Okay, so we need to solve according to this information. Okay, so for that we'll write sine twice alpha is equals to 1. So if we solve, then we'll get sine inverse 1, which is 1. Then twice alpha is equals to 90 degrees. Then we'll get 45 degrees. Okay. We will take only this value. This might be 90 degrees or 180 degrees, any value, but they have asked us to find the acute angle. Okay, since alpha is acute angle here, since alpha is an acute angle, sure. So from here, what we have learned from here are 45 degree is the maximum. 45 degree is the angle of maximum range, and the maximum value of sine x, where sine x can be sine twice alpha or sine beta, anything. So sine something, the maximum value for sine something or sine any angle is 1. Okay, the maximum value for sine something or sine x is 1. We have just used this concept over here. Okay, did I miss anything? Yeah, that's all for C. So this is the solution for C. So if I missed anything, please let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Well, that's the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks a lot, it means a lot to me, fellas. Thanks for supporting me, fellas. I'm really glad that you have watched till the end and watching this thing right now. I can't believe that you have watched till this end and that you have come to this point. Thanks a lot, and I'm really appreciating for you, fellas. Well, is there any part of this lesson that I have missed or you don't understand? If yes, then let me know in the comment section. Please write something in the comment section. Okay, and I am always there to help you, fellas, because I make video for you only, fellas, because my videos are only dedicated to you, fellas, and I make only videos for you, fellas. Okay, so and also please give your feedback for this video, whether this video was helpful for you or not. Okay, and I'll be waiting for your feedback. Okay, and tell me about this video tutorial and this would be very helpful for me, and it is very important for me for the next video tutorial. How am I supposed to make next video tutorial relies on this feedback. So it is very important for me about the feedback. Well fellas, here is the free courses only for you fellas. You can click here to grab them. It's completely free for you fellas, and I only make videos for you only fellas. Okay, so it's completely free only for you fellas. If you want fellas, you may become a part of our team by clicking this button to stay updated. Okay, so why not become a fellas? So by clicking this button, you will become our fellas and be the part of our team. Okay, we will be making more video tutorials later on, and we will update regularly in our channel. We will update our channel regularly. Okay, so stay tuned and best of luck.